If you want to delete Gmail from your X account, also known as Twitter, the important thing to know is that you usually cannot simply remove the Gmail address and leave the email field empty. To completely remove that Gmail address from your X account, you need to replace it with a different email first. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and safest way to do that, step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and log into the account that currently uses the Gmail address you want to remove. Once you're signed in, look at the left side menu if you're on desktop, or tap your profile icon if you're on mobile. From there, click More, or open your profile icon menu, and then select Settings and Support. After that, click Settings and Privacy. Now you're inside the Settings area, and this is where you can manage your account details. Next, go to your account, and then choose Account Information. X will likely ask you to confirm your identity before you can make changes, so enter your X password when prompted. This verification step is there to protect your account, so make sure you type it in carefully. Once you're verified, look for the email option and click on it. This is the section where your current Gmail address is connected to your X account. Now, instead of trying to remove it completely, type in a new email address that is not a Gmail address. You can use another email provider you have access to, as long as it's valid and active. Then click Save to confirm the change. After you save the new email, X will update your account information and your old Gmail address will no longer be the main email tied to the account. This is the key step if your goal is to get Gmail off your X profile entirely. If X asks you to verify the new email address, make sure you go to that inbox and complete the confirmation process, because the change may not fully take effect until the new email is verified. It's also a good idea to double-check your account information afterward to make sure the Gmail address has been replaced successfully. If you still see the old email listed, refresh the page or go back into the account settings and confirm that the new email was saved properly. If the change didn't work, it usually means the new email wasn't entered correctly or the account still needs confirmation. And that's it. That's how you remove Gmail from X or Twitter, by replacing it with a different email address. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.